Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation at a bakery. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the bakery staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why is a bagel chewy and shiny on the outside? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Do you smell that?
Yes, it smells so good in here. I love the smell of fresh bread.
Me too. This bakery is one of my favorite places. Everything is baked every morning.
Wow, every morning? That is why it smells so fresh.
Yes, let's start over here. Look at this section. They have many kinds of bread.
I see white bread and brown bread. What is the difference?
Well, white bread is made from the inside part of wheat, just the white part.
Okay, and the brown bread?
This brown bread is whole wheat bread. Whole wheat means they use all parts of the wheat.
All parts?
Yes, the outside part too. That is why it looks darker.
Oh, so that is why it is brown, because of the outside part of the wheat?
Yes, exactly. The outside part is darker, so the bread looks brown.
I see. Which one do you like?
I usually eat whole wheat bread. It is a little heavier, but I like the taste.
I like white bread more. It is softer.
That is true. White bread is very soft. Look at this loaf.
A loaf?
Yes, a loaf is a big piece of bread not cut yet.
A loaf. So before you cut it, the whole thing is called a loaf.
Yes, one loaf, two loaves. You buy it as a loaf and then you cut it at home.
That makes sense. This whole wheat loaf looks really nice.
It does. Do you want to get one?
Maybe. Let's look at everything first and then we can decide.
Good idea. There is so much to see here.
I am already hungry.
Me too. Let's keep going. Look at all these different shapes. They have round bread, long bread, small bread.
What are these small round ones called?
Those are rolls. A roll is a small piece of bread, usually round.
Oh, interesting.
You can eat one roll by yourself.
Oh, like the bread you get at a restaurant before dinner?
Exactly. Those are dinner rolls. And see these? These are called buns.
Buns? They look like rolls.
They're similar, but buns are often a little softer and sweeter.
I use buns for hamburgers.
Yes, hamburger buns. That is the most common kind.
Sam, I have a question. What do you call the outside part of bread, the hard part?
That is called the crust. The crust is the outside part. It is usually harder and darker.
Crust. Okay, and what about the soft part inside?
The inside part is called the crumb. C-R-U-M-B.
I see.
The crumb is the soft white part inside.
Crumb. I did not know that word. So crust is outside and crumb is inside.
Yes, they are a pair. If you remember one, you can remember the other.
That is a good way to remember. Crust and crumb.
Some people love the crust. Some people do not like it and only eat the crumb.
I like both, but I like soft crust more than hard crust.
Me too. This bread has a really hard crust. Feel it.
Oh wow, it is like a rock. And this one is soft.
That soft one is good for sandwiches. And look, they also sell bread already cut into pieces.
Oh, sliced bread. That is easier for making toast.
Right. You can buy a whole loaf, or you can buy it already sliced.
I always buy sliced bread at the supermarket, but here I think I want to try a whole loaf.
The slices will be thicker that way, more bread in every bite.
That is what I want. Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Of course. I am Marco. I am the baker here. How can I help you?
Nice to meet you, Marco. I have a question about bagels.
Sure. I love talking about bagels.
I love eating them, but I do not know how they are made.
That is a great question. Bagels are very special. Do you know what makes them different from other bread?
They are round with a hole in the middle?
Yes, that is the shape, but the way we make them is very different.
How so?
First, we make the dough.
Dough? What is dough?
Dough is the mix before it becomes bread. We mix flour, water, and salt together.
I see.
It becomes soft, like a ball.
Okay, I understand. So you start with dough.
Yes, we shape the dough into a circle with a hole.
Then what?
Then, here is the interesting part. We boil them.
Boil? You mean in water? Like cooking pasta?
Yes, we put the bagels in very hot water for a short time, maybe 1 or 2 minutes.
Really? I did not know that. So you boil them before you bake them?
Exactly. First, we boil the bagels in water. Then, we put them in the oven and bake them.
That is why they look different from other bread. They are so shiny on the outside.
Yes, the boiling makes the outside shiny, and it also makes the bagel chewy.
Chewy. What does chewy mean?
Chewy means you need to bite and chew more. It is not soft like white bread.
Oh, so it is thicker?
Yes, you need to use your teeth more. That is chewy.
Oh, I know that feeling. When I eat a bagel, it takes more time to chew.
That is the boiling. It makes the outside strong and a little chewy.
So the boiling is the secret. It makes the bagels shiny and chewy.
You got it. Most other bread is just baked.
Really?
But bagels are boiled first, then baked. That's what makes them special.
That is so interesting. I will think about that every time I eat a bagel now.
I hope you enjoy them even more now.
I will. Thank you for telling me, Marco.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
Ellie, come look at this. The pastry section is over here.
Oh, wow. Look at all these pastries. They are beautiful.
I know. Pastries are different from bread. They usually have more butter and sugar, so they're sweeter.
They look sweet, and they are so pretty. What is this one called?
That is a Danish. See how it has fruit on top?
A Danish? Like the country Denmark?
Well, that is the funny thing. We call it a Danish, but the baking style came from Austria first.
From Austria, not Denmark?
Right. Bakers from Austria brought the style to Denmark. Then Danish bakers made it their own.
Wait, so it's from Austria, but we call it a Danish?
Yes, and here is the interesting part. In Denmark, they call this kind of pastry Vienna bread.
Vienna bread? But Vienna is in Austria.
Exactly. So we call it Danish, and they call it Vienna bread. It's a little confusing.
That is very confusing, but it is a fun story.
The taste is not confusing, though. It's delicious.
Can you tell me what flaky means? I see that word on the sign.
Flaky means the pastry breaks into many thin, small pieces when you eat it.
Oh, I see.
Like little flat pieces falling off.
Oh, so it's not smooth. It has many thin layers that break apart?
Yes, exactly. Danish pastries are very flaky, and they are also very buttery.
Buttery means lots of butter?
Right. They use a lot of butter to make the dough, so the taste is rich and buttery.
Flaky and buttery. That sounds amazing.
It really is. Do you want to try one?
Definitely. I want the one with strawberries on top.
Good choice. I'll get the one with apple.
This is going to be a very delicious morning.
I think so too. Let's go to the counter to order. Hi, I would like to order a few things, please.
Of course. Welcome. What can I get for you?
First, can I have one of those English muffins?
Sure. Would you like it toasted?
Yes, please. I like it toasted.
Great. Anything else?
Yes, my friend also wants a blueberry muffin.
1 English muffin and 1 blueberry muffin. Got it.
Can I ask you something? An English muffin and a regular muffin look very different.
Yes?
Why do they have the same name?
That is a very common question. An English muffin is flat. It is like a small round bread.
I see.
You cut it in half and toast it.
Right. People often eat it for breakfast with butter or eggs.
Exactly. But a regular muffin is different. It is like a small cake.
Interesting.
It is round on top and sweet.
So an English muffin is flat bread and a muffin is a sweet cake. They are very different.
Yes, same name, but they are not the same at all. It confuses many people.
I can see why. They are not the same at all.
I know. Do you want anything else?
Yes, let me think. Can I also get 2 of those croissants?
Of course. 2 croissants. So that is 1 English muffin toasted, 1 blueberry muffin, and 2 croissants.
That's right. How much is everything?
Let me see. That will be $9.75.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Please wait just a moment for the toasted English muffin.
Sure, no problem.
Here you are. Everything is in the bag. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. Come back anytime.
I definitely will. This bakery is wonderful. Here, I got everything. Your blueberry muffin, and here is a croissant for you.
Thank you. This muffin is still warm.
Everything here is so fresh. Try the croissant, too.
It is so good. The outside is crunchy and the inside is soft.
I know, I love that feeling. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside.
And your English muffin, how is it?
It is great. It is toasted perfectly, nice and warm.
Good. This Danish is delicious too. So sweet and buttery.
I told you, this bakery makes the best pastries.
I agree. Hey, Sam, do you remember what Marco told me about bagels?
The baker? Yes, he said something about boiling.
Yes. Do you know why bagels are so chewy and shiny on the outside?
Is it because of the oven? Maybe they use a very hot oven?
No, that is not the reason. It is because they boil the bagels in water before they bake them.
Oh, right. They boil them first. That is so different from regular bread.
Yes, the boiling makes the outside shiny and it also makes the bagel chewy.
That is really interesting. I never knew that before today.
Me neither. I learned so many new things today.
Me too. Like whole wheat bread uses all parts of the wheat.
Right.
And the crust is the outside, the crumb is the inside.
And a Danish pastry is not really from Denmark.
That one surprised me. Oh, do you see this?
What is that bread? It has a funny shape, like a knot.
That is a pretzel. See how it is twisted?
A pretzel. I have seen those before, but I never thought about the shape.
It has a fun story.
Why is it twisted like that?
I read that the shape is very old.
How old?
A long time ago, people said the shape looked like crossed arms.
Oh, like crossing your arms, and the pretzel looks like that?
Yes, exactly. The twist looks like 2 arms crossed.
I see.
It is a very old story, but it is fun to know.
That is very interesting. And look, they put salt on top.
Yes, pretzels often have big pieces of salt on the outside. Some people also put mustard on them.
I want to try one next time. Today, I already have too much food.
Me too, but everything was so good.
Definitely. Today was a great bakery day.
It really was. We should come back soon.
Yes, please. I want to try a pretzel and more of those Danish pastries.
Sounds like a plan. Let's finish our food first. Everything is still warm and delicious.
You are right. Let's enjoy it.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why is a bagel chewy and shiny on the outside? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.